Welcome back guys. अब हम करेंगे करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड डीसी सर्किट्स क्वेश्चन 21 पेपर 2 5054. Let's start. Question 21. So figure 9.1 shows a DC power supply being used to charge a rechargeable battery. This is a rechargeable battery. This is the current direction. This is the 5 volt DC power supply and there is a 5.2 ohm resistor. So आगे चलते हैं. The rechargeable battery is in series with the DC power supply and a 5.2 ohm resistor. The EMF of the power supply is 5 volts. They explain what is meant by EMF. EMF is the amount of work done required to move unit charge in a closed circuit throughout the whole circuit. ठीक है ना? So that is what EMF is, and we can also represent the EMF using a formula which is V is equals to W divided by Q, which is voltage is equals to W, which is the work done, divided by charge. So that is the answer. Let's do this and then this. And this is the total answer. The EMF of the power supply and the EMF of the battery act against each other. Against each other in the opposite direction in the current. The EMF of the battery is 3.7 volts. Calculate the resultant EMF in the circuit. The resultant EMF will be calculated using the 5 volt DC supply and the 3.7 volt battery EMF. ठीक है ना? So we will simply just subtract these two values and whatever we get is the answer. So 1.3 is the resultant EMF. Calculate the current in the circuit. The current in the circuit will be calculated using the formula V is equals to IR. V हमारे पास क्या है? V हम ले लेते हैं 1.3 because that's the resultant EMF is equals to IR. I हमारे पास कितना है निकालने वाला है into R हमारे पास कितना है which is 5.2 5 5.2. So 1.3 divided by 5.2 will be equals to 0.25 amperes is the current. आगे चलते हैं. The current in the circuit remains constant as the battery is charged. Calculate the charge that passes through the resistor in 1.5 hours. So for this what do you call it question, we're gonna apply the formula Q is equals to IT because I can see three values here. We have the EMF, we have the current, we have the resistance, and with those values we have to find out what the charge is. Additionally, we also have been given the time और जब भी time दिया हो तो you can automatically assume that it is a question related to charge. तो Q will be equals to I देख लेते हैं कितना आ जाता है. So 3600 which is the amount of seconds in an hour into 1.5. So we will get 5400 seconds. So 0.25 into 5400. ठीक है ना? So let's see what the answer is. It is 1350. 1350 will be the answer. And I think we can round it off to 1400. Yeah, 1300. Actually, 1400 is optimal because अगर आप 5 को round off करो, it will become 10, right? So 1400 is optimal. 1400 क्या होगा? Coulombs. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.